Welcome to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources, participants of Varanasi region. As informed earlier, this course is on self-learning mode. You have to watch the videos, maybe 4 per day or 5 per day, and quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. Please don't try to view all the videos at the same time. You can view the videos in order. For example, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to submit the quiz and assignments daily. Already, the schedule of quiz and assignments is shared with you. Every day morning, you will get a quiz and assignment based on these lessons only, maybe 4 lessons or 5 lessons. And the quiz and assignments will be in the form of Google form. The link will be sent to you in your email ID. You have to answer the quiz and you have to do the assignment. The assignment will be in the form of any files you have to upload or any link you have to upload. Okay, now let us see how you have to submit assignment number 1. That is based on the first 4 lessons: managing files and folders, preparing reading material and converting the file to PDF, preparing presentation slide, and learners interactive facility. Please go through the videos carefully and the quiz will be based on those videos only. Similarly, the second assignment will be based on the next 4 videos. Therefore, take your own time and see the videos carefully and try to do the quiz and assignments. There is no need to view all the videos at the same time. Okay, let us see how it will be done now. Okay, now you will get one email like this: Director Z Mumbai, Varanasi region, quiz and assignment 1. You open it. It will give you some instructions and there will be a link. Click the link. Varanasi region quiz and assignment 1 will open. Quiz and assignment on lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, the next quiz and assignment 2 will be on lessons 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Please write your name, write your designation and write the name of your KV and your roll number in the list of participants. What is the roll number? Already we have given you a list of the Varanasi region. It will be sent to your mail ID also. What you have to do is you have to check out your roll number. Your roll number is from 1 to 39. Please check your roll number. That roll number to be used for all the quiz and assignments. Okay, well, we will come back. You have to put your roll number. For example, it from 1 to 39, whatever may be the roll number as per this list. Then you go on answering these questions. Select the correct answer. There may be 10 questions or there may be 5 questions. Okay, now come back to this assignment. For today assignment is, for the first assignment is, prepare a folder with a MS Word and a PDF and a PowerPoint. Upload the folder in the Google Drive and generate the link. How it can be done? I am taking you to my folder where I think in the first lesson itself it is told that you have to open a folder and you have to open some subfolders. Here I have made a Word document and a PDF. Here I have made one PowerPoint presentation. What I have to do now? Put all of them in a separate folder. I am opening a new folder now. I am opening the folder as quiz assignment 1. What are the things it should be there inside it? I want a Word document and a PDF. Okay, I am copying it and I am putting in that quiz and assignment number 1 folder. Okay, then what is the next one? I want a PowerPoint presentation also. I am taking this PowerPoint presentation which I already made and I am putting in this quiz and assignment. I have put over here. Okay, now this folder of quiz and assignment 1, which contains PowerPoint presentation, Word and the PDF, which is the Word converted into PDF. That is already explained in the video. Now this to be uploaded in your Google Drive. How to go to the Google Drive? Already you know it. For example, I am going over here. In the Google Drive I am going. Already you know that it is already explained in your videos. Go to my drive, then upload the folder. Please go through the video. It is totally explained there how it has to be done in the personal. I think you know that where actually it lies. Already I have made this quiz and assignment now, then upload it. And based on the number of files, it will take the time, and as I have told you, you have to make only a very simple one. And okay, now it is, see, already it is uploaded. Okay, now you have to go for it. It's over here, then get the sharing link. Okay, you know that how to get the sharing link, that's also explained in the video. Then you have to get the link, then here you please change it into editable, because I have to see it, therefore editor. Convert it into editor, then copy the link, then come back to this quiz and then paste it over here. I repeat once again, prepare the folder containing Word file, PowerPoint file and the PDF file, upload it in your own Google Drive and generate the link. In that link, give the permission for editing, then simply submit. Remember, you can submit only once. I repeat once again, in the form, please fill your name, fill your designation, fill the name of your KV and your roll number as per the list of participants. This also will be attached with your quiz number 1 and 2. Okay, thank you friends. Happy learning.